But you cold in the motherfucker, boy.
Okay. Look. I tell these rappers when they line, I say God bless you. I like to play simple games like Taboo. So I'm spitting different words at a different rate. So when I'm speaking up, I keep it at a different pace. It comes in phase if you didn't know the business. I catch your whole throat and you won't have a business. I call this case the next case of O.J. Simpson of a marching guard man. So I call it Marching Garvey. Man, it's kind of hazy, but kind of hazy when this bowl is full of gravy. So I jump on the beat, I probably hop like a rabbit. So like a kid with rabies, I call savage, I call savage. Mastermind flows, I'm devastating to the point where I have no wings, but a nigga still levitating. Drink a bottle of Red Bull and sit back and then dream about that girls having cardiacs. Or for some reason, that's some crazy stuff to be imagining. So when I'm rapping, this is still what is happening.
What?
I'm not T.I., but when I'm spitting, when it comes natural, I have the talent in the back of my head. So I still am like Cerberus with 3 heads. The first one is vigorous, the other one is knowledge, and the other one is wisdom. Put it all together, you got a young mighty nigga whose mental issues is kicking, man. Nah, it's a bad predicament. It's a promise that a word like me as a kid here is staying dominant. Though I'm not famous or haven't made an album yet, but guess what? When I come up, who's gonna buy it? I posted it up on iTunes. I get a sample rate for 90 cents for every buy view, for every time somebody click on my name move. But if YouTube a kid shout out my name, so it's obvious that my fame is gonna become better in the future. So I get in, I don't know what to say. It's like Burger King swag. I gotta have it my way when a Benz put inside of your driveway. Kind of crazy when I'm getting off my head is what I said. It's just randomly spitting verbs intended to the tendency. I have been doing it again and then like DJ Khaled, I scream all I do is win. Rapping on the stage, these rappers don't know what I'm getting. They say that nigga's special. I guess my words are kind of gifted. Put me in a special A class. I probably aced the whole thing with an ACT prep. With a baby in it. Maybe with an Arizona iced tea and I guess you could say with a little bit of pure juice. But the last time I had that, I had a brown spot in the bottom of the barrel. So I know what I have to say. I'm like the new movie of the fall. When I pop out, I'ma scare you. I can't say nothing, but guess what? I'm fair to you. Rappers to the fear of mine, I'm the fear to the curiosity that killed your cat. Rain stay up on his back. When it's done, it's like it's 212 gay shotty with a 9mm pistol, 4 with a gag. Guess you call it like a rocket launcher. I'm shooting missiles at your head while I'm peeling off your tissue. I guess you can't say it. I do a little bit of redundancy, repeating with every word I say. I guess it's finding fun to me. So when you look at me right now, you're thinking, what is this kid saying? I said I'm spitting knowledge. If you understand it, get your education.
Get that shit.
Leave me alone, man. I'm doing my thing. My Uncle Kel's recording me, man, because I'm doing my damn thing. You can't never find me in this type of city. A lot of underground rappers rapping just like me. So when you listen to Drake and he's singing his pants off, saying that a girl probably jerk his little meat off, then what can I say? A couple of niggas like me, we trying to hustle out the hood with some fresh pair of jeans, with a little snapback on, thinking never fresh, while everybody in the studio trying to puff the breast. Just believe I'm trying to get every titty in this couple breasts, trying to suck a nipple with it and pop the pussy like a better jet. So I'm looking back at you rappers, you trying to hit me hard like the judge with a tabernacle, but I got the hammer. Hit you on the face until you're unconscious. It's a space from T&D and I'm stay dominant. I'm out.
What? What?